just be. Don't take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing right.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised in my last video, I said I was going to be showing you guys my little switcheroo, as my girl Kim from Kim at Home always like to say. I'm going to be switching my area where my microwave is and my coffee area. I'm going to be changing those things out because I need my coffee station area. The cubic shelving is like broken and it's like hanging on by a thread, so I need to go ahead and change that out. So that's what you're going to be seeing me do, and I'm going to be resetting up my coffee station, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hang around and smash that subscribe button if you like to see home decor, hauls, just lifestyle in general. I'm a single mom of 3. I have 2 adult kids, 23, 21, and a teenager that's 16. And I have multiple dogs. So, and I do dog sit, so you will see probably the little ones running around in this video. I do have an extra dog here with me today, so just sit back and watch me do the darn thing.
When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. I'm good, yeah, I'm good, actually, more than good, kinda great, but even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave, 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 brave,
So in last week's video, I introduced you guys to something about me that not many people knew, and that was that I have ADHD. So basically it's pretty much hereditary, and my youngest son has ADHD and my daughter, she has ADD, and the difference is the hyperactiveness. She just have the attention deficit disorder, and I never really shared it with anybody because I wasn't really sure that that's what I had until I just started, like, you know, when I finally came to who I was and the person that I am, and, you know, just how things have gone in my life over the years since I was young. I had to come to realization that, you know, that I have it and it's okay. I just didn't know how to deal with it, and I pushed through life all these years without knowing that that's what I had. And it really made me start questioning whether I had it because it's hereditary, and I knew that I had two kids that had that issue. And I'm not claiming it as a disability. That's something that I have kind of learned to deal with, but it also, in my ways of learning, it has caused a lot of anxiety in my life, and a lot of things that I probably could have avoided had I known. That I have been trying to find ways to deal with it in my adult years. It really has broadened my eyes to a lot of things that I've dealt with, memory wise, and just how I act and how I think. In my adult years, I'm a very smart person. People might not think so, but I am very smart. I know how to do a lot of things, and then you will find people that have that capable of doing a lot of things that ordinary people can't do. And it's just something that I've always been able to do. I've learned quickly, but I have to learn it my way. I have to learn it my way, no matter no matter if it comes with instructions, or I have to learn it how it's going to stick with me, because everything does not stick. So I'm going to be opening up on my channel about that more and more, because again, I do have two kids that has suffered with that, and me learning that I have it in my adult years, it's an eye opener. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people out here that don't even know that they have it, or they've been dealing with things in their lives, and it's not really because it's really because of having ADHD, and they don't even know. Like, sometimes you can go through life and not even realize that what you are going through or what you have it has a name behind it. Like, I didn't know that I was dealing with a narcissist. So there are things that it takes you to get older to realize. So, but when you find out about it, you do something about it. You don't stay in it. You just I've learned to handle things and get things done. And I'm now walking in a new life, a new path, and I'm learning ways to deal with things that I've struggled with over the years, things that I want to do better in my life, and just a new way of living. So I welcome you all to follow me on this journey, and I will be definitely sharing with you guys new things that I find that will help others out as well.
We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'm up all like yo, leave, but we could go all night. Take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more.
I hope you guys enjoyed my little switcheroo, as my girl Kim said. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure that you click on that subscribe button so you and that notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. Bye.
Taking just